down. And remember, you gotta be very gentle. Okay, so maybe move back here, okay? Sit here. Move back more. Okay. All right. Okay, buddy, you gotta be very careful. Okay, you gotta hold the neck. And 1 second, actually, let me just hold the baby. This. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go, buddy. That's your brother. Good boy. Hey, bud. Wow. Yeah.
こっち見て。赤ちゃんピースして。こっち見て。
That's your brother.
ベイビーだね。触ったね。いい子。
Nice and soft, Kaito. Nice and soft. He's just a hiccup. It's just a hiccup.
Nice. He's holding his hand.
Yeah. Mama's gonna cry. Mama's gonna cry.
かいちゃんこっち見て。ママの方の。ほら見てかいちゃん。
So happy, happy, happy. Yeah. Okay. Can Mama's gonna take the baby? Okay. Good boy, Kaito. You're very nice with your brother. That's perfect. That's just how you hold it, bud. Kaito, high five. Yeah, put it in your pocket. Wow. What a good brother Kaito is, eh? And what a good little brother he is. Well, he's got the hiccups, Kaito. Fire.
Don't forget how to hold the baby.
Yeah, just neck is important. Like that. There you go. Don't you shoot the fire, buddy. No, you don't. Don't shoot the baby. Don't shoot your brother. You guys can't play cops and robbers yet. Gotta wait a little bit. Are you training him already? Hey, Mama. How do you feel? He looks just like Kaito. Kaito, he looks just like you. Look at those pretty eyes. Oh, he's got your nose.
Yeah. Mama da yo. Daddy and brother Kaito.